Today I'm making the easiest and most delicious air fryer cinnamon French toast sticks. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and coated in sweet cinnamon sugar. Perfect for breakfast, a quick snack or even dessert. First, I took 2 slices of bread and trimmed off the crusts to make them nice and clean. Then I placed the 2 slices on top of each other and cut them in half. So in the end I got 4 small breadsticks. Next, I prepared the egg mixture. In a bowl, I added 1 egg, 80 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I mixed everything together really well until it became smooth and fully combined. The vanilla gives such a warm, sweet flavor and makes these smell amazing while cooking. I started dipping each breadstick into the egg mixture, making sure every side was nicely coated but not overly soaked. Then I carefully placed each stick into the air fryer basket in a single layer so they cook evenly and get golden on all sides. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Before baking, I lightly sprayed the tops with a little oil. I cooked them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, I took them out, flipped each stick to the other side and put them back in for another 5 minutes. In a separate small bowl, I mixed 2 tablespoons of white sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I rolled each warm French toast stick in the cinnamon sugar mixture until fully coated. This final step gives them the sweetest crunchy finish and makes them taste just like a bakery treat. And that's it. Super easy, quick and honestly so delicious. They are perfect on their own, but you can also serve them with maple syrup, chocolate spread or fresh fruit on the side. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.